So you may be wondering why I haven't posted to my YouTube channel lately. And that's, well, I moved to Germany. Just kidding. I'm actually in Leavenworth, Washington, which is a Bavarian themed town. And I'm on my way over to Spokane tonight because I actually started a new job a few months ago, and that's what's been taking up all of my time. But I'm really excited for this one. I'm learning some new skills, and I get to travel around the Northwest now that it's kind of opening up. And I get to see things that I haven't seen in a long time. So hopefully we can do some more like this. But that isn't the only reason why I haven't been posting. I just haven't felt creative and haven't had much motivation to do any editing. Every time I just get started, I just didn't feel it, and closed the laptop and went about my day. And yeah, I am having to travel for work. And yeah, I may not be the biggest fan of it, but I am very happy to have a job right now. I wanted to get out a little bit earlier than I did, but that's okay. I found this beautiful little pull-off, and I want to just go take a look. It's pretty cool. Oh, God, I miss these views. We're almost at the top of Stevens Pass. I don't even remember the last time I was up here. Sure, there's a lot of snow though. So as usual, I'm falling a little bit behind, but that's okay. I'm not any given timeline. And I keep finding these awesome little pullouts that are just gorgeous. I just have to stop and take a look. This is the Wenatchee River, and it was flowing right along the road, so I decided to use one of the little pullouts and come check it out because, oh, this is gorgeous. I bet this place is awesome for swimming in the summer. I'm gonna have to remember that because man, you can jump right off this rock. Looks deep enough. This could be awesome. Definitely gonna throw pinned down on the map, and remember this one.